my channel. This is a Frappzilla Moon Lupi unboxing. I ordered her in pink and it took like 11 months to get to me, which is a very long time, and I've mentioned before that I am a pretty impatient person, but I just really wanted this doll. I think it was quoted at the time of being like 6 months, so at the time I ordered it on layaway, so I was like, alright, whatever, like it's not that long, but it ended up taking like 11 months. There's a couple reasons for that. Frappzilla did not have a quantity limit on this pre-order, so like whoever wanted it could buy it, which is great because obviously you want everyone who wants a BJD to be able to get it, but that's probably why it took so long. So I'm just saying they had like some reasons for it to take a while, but I was growing a little impatient, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted so many of the sculpts that they came out with. If you guys don't know, Frappzilla had like, what is it, like 6 different sculpts? Yes, a lot of different sculpts, and all of them had like a really cute face. I got Lupi because a lot of them had really big ears, which is very cute, but I was personally nervous that I would chip the ears, which might sound a little stupid, but like, they're like really big, okay? So I was concerned. I do regret not getting a Lyra. Lyra was the human sculpt that they came out with, and it was like, it was real stinking cute, but I just did not have the money to buy 2 different pre-orders. So got the, what is it called? The lady bust? I don't think that's what it's called. I got the bigger bust. They had like 2 different busts, and they had one where you get like an optional thigh joint. I didn't get like any of the extras. I think I'm the type of person who like switches out a lot of things with their dolls. So I just didn't find it necessary, but this is the box it came in, and this came from the UK. Hello! It came from across the pond. Frappzilla is based in the UK. And I think their dolls are so cool, by the way. I've been wanting to get, I think I've been wanting to get a Bloom for a while, but they're always out of stock. Like, I go on their website right when it's supposed to be in stock, and then it's out of stock, and I'm just like, I just don't understand how to get their Blooms. Like, genuinely, I don't understand. They're like literally instantaneously out of stock. I got a Moon though, so it's the big one. This is MSD sized. It's like 40 inches. I think it might be actually a little bit under 40 inches. I've heard some things about these. I've heard that they're very, like, they have tiny heads, which is interesting. I'm excited. I like me a tiny head. I also like me a big head. I don't really discriminate against head sizes for MSDs. I've heard that they have like a weird jointing, like lock-in system, so we'll see how that goes. But let's just open it. The box. Should we unzoom a little bit? No, we can't. Okay, so that's the box. We're gonna open it. Got me some scissors. I don't have the air conditioning on right now, so if I'm looking sweaty, okay, like, it's hot in here, but it gets really loud because I have a window unit. Wow, we got a pink box. Hold on, let's take it out. This is the box. Wow, it says Frappzilla, very cute. I'm gonna like, there we go, that's probably maybe a little bit better. Doink. Cute. Beepy! Is there like a COA? I guess they don't come with this. Really? Hold on. Oh, okay. It's still in the box. I was like, where's what? I've just never encountered that where they don't come with one, except for like the really cheap Taobao anime dolls that I got. They have like a little card even. Okay, so here is the COA. Okay, I was like, okay. I ordered Peony to be exact. I ordered the pink shade. And so these are all their sculpts. Is it all their sculpts? I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sculpts. I'll show you guys the ones I wanted. I basically wanted all of them except for this one. This one's really cute, okay? Don't get me wrong, I just don't, I like my dolls with more of like a blank expression, I guess. But I think that when I was saying how like I'm attracted to some of the sculpts a little bit more than the one that I ordered, but they have really big ears, is that I like this one and this one a lot. And I also like that one. Okay, I like all of them except for that girl. And I still like her, she has a sad face. I don't know what to do with that. But I guess my top one would maybe be this one. I just like how she has like a little baby face. Or this one, I like the teeth. So yeah, I heard on Frappzilla's Instagram that they actually modeled them after like different animals, which is kind of cool. So like this, the one that I ordered, Lupi, is a wolf, and this one's a mouse. This one, I don't know, maybe it's a bunny rabbit. This one is a dragon, I think. So I just thought that was pretty cool. I guess this one's like some sort of underwater sad creature. Oh, a little illustration. Wow. I really want to get a corkboard. This is really cute. Huh. Okay, cool. So this, I don't know what this is. I guess this is an invoice. That's all the stuff it came with. This is the doll. Wow, okay. Why is it so, it's like neck is wrapped up. And the legs are also wrapped up. And the feet. Okay. Let's put her on top of her little pillow. So this is the doll. Her head is pretty tiny for an MSD. I think she's a smaller MSD though. This pink is a little bit like purpley pink. The magnets are, one of them fell out. It's supposed to be over here and it fell out, which isn't so bad. I mean, I can just, what's going on here? Oh, okay. There's like a little ribbon. There's a little ribbon on the Hess hook, which is, I mean, that's pretty convenient actually. What? It goes this way. Okay, so that's the way the head is supposed to go. I think that there's just a lot of things that are like very, very cute about these dolls. Like I think that the little detailing right here, the stars, is very, very cute. I've heard that their joint system is like a lock-in thing. Okay, I'm kind of getting it with the ankles. So it just like locks into place. Cool. I feel like I'm gonna like snap that off, but yeah, they have big feet, which is kind of interesting. Okay. Alright, so here she is. She's kind of like tightly strung a little bit, I think. She's a little snappy. She's very pear, which I dig. I like a pear body. She has like a tiny bust and a big old butt. That's her butt. Her face is so cute. I think that the joints are a little bit like, they're not bad, hard to control. Like, I guess it's just not, I'm assuming this is because of the whole locking system. It's just, Jesus Christ, it's just not as like fluid. And it's kind of hard to like, for me to see where this whole locking system is, so it just takes a second to get it to go, I assume, where it should be. Yeah, I'm trying to show you guys. So if you can see, there's like little grooves on the inside, and that's the locking system. For the legs, I've heard it's like little raised dots or something. I just feel like the knees are a little bit like, I feel like I'm gonna break something. These are beautiful dolls. Okay, I'm just getting a little confused with this whole like thing. Legs want to be like this. Like when I'm like trying to like put it down, they kind of, do you see it? Like, it's just not like being flush, which that's the thing I'm having an issue with. And I think it's in the right groove. yeah. Yeah, like they keep going like that. And I want her to be like, I want her to stand. I just wanted to mention that, sorry, I have like a bunch of BJDs here. But I find that with this style of knee that this doll has, I really like it aesthetically. Like I like it over this one where it's like the kneecap, but it's like a little joint circle thing. However, I find that I have issues with how these types of knees pose, because this one is kind of doing the same thing. Like if you look, it's just not perfectly aligned. It's like the same thing with this one, and it's the same thing going on over here, whereas I have like these two, so like the Fen GZN dividing line doll, and then I also have this Doll Zone, what's it called? Little Snow, and then it has like the honey body, so not the body it normally comes with. This also has like that kind of kneecap, but it's like poses perfectly like that, and then it just snaps, and I don't have to like mess around with it with like adjusting it in the right spot. It just lines up. Same thing with this one. Hold on. Like that, and then it just snaps and it's fine. So I don't really know why that is with certain types of knees like this. I guess I praise them for being like innovative with the whole snap system, but it's just not as, I guess, intuitive as you would hope it would be. And I kind of just wish it had like this thing going on where it just like posed, you know, and just holds it. Okay. This is the first, I've been messing around with her for like 5 minutes, and this is the first I've been able to get her to stand. It's not the most stable. Okay, she's standing. Okay. I'm proud of myself, okay? That was a little bit, okay, yeah. So they take a little bit of like finagling to get to stand. That's her. I want to see how how's her head movement going. I like their logo. It's like a little moon. I like the whole like moon star thing that's happening with this doll. I think a lot of the artistic choices are very, very, very like gorgeous. I just think the joint system is just gonna take some getting used to. I think it just needs to be restrung or something, because it's just very like, or maybe like hot glue suede, I don't know. Something, because it's just sort of kicking and stuff. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys my Lupi because I've been waiting so long for her and I love her so much. If you guys have any questions about these dolls, let me know. If you got one during the pre-order, let me know. And yeah, I'm just really excited. So, alright guys, like this video if you like this video, subscribe, it makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye!